Hello and welcome to another update video about ADA Cardano. Not much change to my last video, so I'll keep it brief here. Cardano is, in my opinion, not yet really working on a breakout. So we've got Ethereum. I mean, they all are, don't get me wrong, all coins are working on breakouts, but ADA at the moment doesn't come across like that. I'm not sketching out here a possible breakout scenario as I do on the Ethereum and Bitcoin charts. Don't get me wrong, for Bitcoin and Ethereum, it's still also until we have price confirmation, which I talk about in those videos. I'm also primarily think that we are still going to go down lower, but we can carefully start to sketch out breakout scenarios because these counts, all the Elliott wave counts, have been completed. And this is really the first time in 7 months that I start to sketch out a breakout scenario, really, that I find quite interesting. However, ADA, because it has failed to make a lower low compared to the one from the 12th of May, I'm not sketching that out. And in the history, in the past, we've seen that should Bitcoin really break out to the upside, what we have seen in the past is that the altcoins, another 1 or 2 weeks, corrected down further. They actually dumped when Bitcoin started to move up. So this would work very much in line with that possible scenario. However, we need to be open here at the moment, especially at the moment, we need to be open to all possibilities, especially because also ADA is in this critical target area here between 29 cents and 54 cents, between the 88.7% FIB level and the 78.6% FIB level. And in this target area, a turnaround is possible at any time. I've mentioned that countless times. And, this is the destination of where this correction is probably going to end. If it is here or if it is a little bit lower, that is what I cannot tell you with certainty. Yeah, I've been very clear in the last few months about continuous downtrends for all coins. Now we have reached here a possible turnaround area, and now we need to be open to all possibilities. But because ADA did not put that lower low in, which would have in a very nice way completed this overall correction on the shorter time frame as well, I'm not very confident that this is already going up, even less confident than for Bitcoin and Ethereum. So at the moment, the way I'm counting this is as the low of a wave 3 here down here at 41.9 cents. We then started to move up in a corrective wave up in a wave 4 in an A, B, C pattern. Is the wave C already complete? Personally, I don't think so. I think we're going a little bit higher in this wave C to hit this target area here. However, we don't need to. We can already count where ABC with this C wave here at 51 cents. It doesn't need to go higher at least. But if you see a breakout above 51 cents, then it's probably going into this yellow target area. This would actually be the ideal retracement area for a wave 4. That is between 51.6 and 53.8 cents. Only if it goes above that level, we have to consider a different wave count, because then this wave 4 would cut into the price region of the wave 1. And I need to keep thinking about how this wave count would then possibly look like. For now, in my opinion, this is still an impulse down that is unfolding a 1. So here, so the focus is lower. A 1, 2, 3, 4, and the 5 would still be coming. This is, in my opinion, what is playing out here. Bear in mind, what is very, very critical as well is this ascending trend line, which is running here, which is probably going to provide resistance on the way up. So we are close to that, and this is actually cutting through my yellow target area here. So should ADA get into this target area, this will provide resistance exactly at roundabouts, 53.3, depending on when we come to it, right? So if it happens today, it will be at 53.3. Tomorrow it might look different, but this would be below the low of the wave 1. So it would still not invalidate any downtrending scenario. So yeah, at the moment, those coins are fighting. Do we go a little bit higher? Do we break down from here? At the moment, the focus for me would still be higher because the wave 4 has not reached its ideal target area. But to do that, it needs to break above the previous resistance at 50, or to be exact, 50.8 cents. Yeah. What I also have to say, what is coming up here doesn't really look very, very convincing. So we need to be careful. as soon as you see the price go out to the downside, out of this channel, I think that's it. I think if it goes down from here, out of this channel, the first target would be 46.1 cent, the low of the wave B here. And if it then goes down lower, we have 43.4 and then 42.1 cent. If we go below that level, I think, and if we go back to 42.1, I find it quite likely that this level then also breaks, because we've taken all the previous support levels out and we are probably turning around then already. Need to look at the structure then. But if we do that, we go down to 42.1. If that breaks, then we can put a new low in place below 38.5 cents. So short term, my view would be that we complete this wave 4 in this yellow target area, but a move out of the channel to the downside, which could happen at any time. And we can see the price is already fighting around this level. And I can make that a bit more accurate with this channel here. You can see how nicely it is dancing on this channel. So a breakout to the downside from this channel would indicate much lower prices. Yeah. So I think this is a very, very relevant one. Keep an eye on that one. Okay, so that is my view here currently about ADA. Hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, check out the channel membership and maybe even the trading course I'm currently offering on morecryptoonline.com. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.